Back in 1985, an incident in a New Jersey high school triggered a controversy over the interpretation of the Fourth Amendment, which protects people against unreasonable searches and seizures. This incident started a case which later went to the Supreme Court. There it became a landmark case. This case was named New Jersey versus TLO.
The case started when two girls in a New Jersey high school were caught smoking in the restroom by a teacher and were sent to the principal's office. One of the girls confessed to smoking while the other, known as TLO, denied it. The principal demanded to see her purse and found evidence of her smoking as well as selling marijuana at school. After being sent to the police station, she admitted to selling marijuana. The state of New Jersey pressed charges against her and the case went to juvenile court. She was sentenced to 1 year of probation. However, during the trial, TLO claimed that she was unreasonably searched and that her Fourth Amendment right had been violated. However, the court decided in favor of the school. TLO appealed to the decision and the case went to the United States Supreme Court. The Supreme Court overturned the decision of the state and ruled that the search was unreasonable and TLO's rights under the Fourth Amendment were violated. The state of New Jersey appealed this decision. After the appeal, the final decision was made by a 6-3 margin.
The plaintiff in this case was the state of New Jersey and the school in which TLO had been searched. The main reason they pressed charges on TLO was because she possessed and sold marijuana. However, she argued that she had been unreasonably searched, and thus the case became much more than just about being in possession of a drug. The defendant in this case was the girl known as TLO. She was the one who denied smoking in the bathroom and was later found through a search of her purse that she possessed marijuana. Her argument was that her Fourth Amendment right had been violated and she had been unreasonably searched. After losing the case in the state court, she appealed the ruling and the case went to the Supreme Court.
The law being questioned is the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution. This amendment states that people's rights and protection against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated. TLO argued that her rights under the Fourth Amendment had been violated when she was unreasonably searched by the school.
State of New Jersey, the Supreme Court ruled by 6-3 margin in favor of New Jersey. They stated the search by the school was not unreasonable and that although students do have constitutional rights to privacy, searches of the students are permitted in order to keep the school safe.
Every teen should know this case because it explains what allows the school to search a student. If school officials have a suspicion of a school rule being broken or a crime being committed, they have the authority to search that student. New Jersey versus TLO defined the power of a school to search a student's property.